I know you won $1 million. Beg your money, no?
What? Nobody watch my money. I'm not gonna watch my money. You have to buy me one champagne or Henny or something. My friend, also, yo,
Yeah.
where are the US?
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast to pull up. And today we have a really special guest. Listen, last week you seen her win a big trophy at Reggae Sumfests. We're talking about the Global Clash right there in Montego Bay. You know, we have in the building today, we have Gyal Marie from Notorious International. What's going on, Gyal?
Well, go on. It's been a while. You good?
I'm great. Thank you for even linking back in. I mean, it was one call, and you said, "Yeah, man, let's connect again."
Yeah, no wrong with that. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you understand. When I seen how you and Little Shabba performed on the Sumfest stage, I said, definitely we need to sit down and really see what was going on in your mind, because I know you've won trophies before, but this was another big one that you won again. You know what I mean?
Right. We got 2, 3 trophy here. Yes. And I got one more here. Ooh. I'm the winner.
Yeah. How did it feel to win that trophy? To actually hear them say Notorious International. How did that feel?
Well, I feel great. Definitely feel great because this is our first global sound clash, right?
Mhm.
And then I know a couple of Japanese sound was there before Jaworks, yeah, be Mighty Chrome, but me are the first woman go up on this global sound crash too. So what we won, I feel super great right now.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. So how did you even prepare for a clashes? Because we know you've won the boom clashes and all those, and even this clash, you clashed with Dynamq before, Code Red Warrior. The
Right.
only one thing you've never bucked up, I don't think you've never bucked up Bodyguard
Yes,
before. This
yes.
is the first time
We
bucking
never
him.
book up this Bodyguard, yeah. Mm.
What was it like preparing for a clash like this now?
Okay, so global song clash is not normal song clash. Because normal song clash, more clash fans are there, right? But this is Sumfest Global Clash. So people them come to Sumfest, come to Clash too. So some of them not really, used to song clash. Even some people not really know reggae and dancehall, but then just come to see what's going on. Right? So this time me and Shaba focus on people them like we just want make people them enjoy, and I want people them will start to love song crash because this culture is great.
Mhm.
And the difference is a lot of females are there, and I love it.
Okay.
Yeah, because a normal crash go crash and 95% of man and 5% of woman, and man them just carry woman to the crash.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Me a woman, but I'm song crash fans long time because of Mighty Crown.
Mhm.
So I want more women start to love this song crash culture.
So even that night there, because I seen there was a lot of females and a lot of women in the crowd at the clash that night there also.
Right, and it's great vibe. And what me and Shopper prepare is make people them enjoy it. So we make a sit down, make plans as usual,
Mhm.
but we just more focus on what people want to hear from us.
Mhm.
Because Notorious is
And
Japanese and Jamaican sound. So we have to introduce ourselves to people and make people them, like us and enjoy our entertainment.
for sure, and even as you said, preparing when it came to cutting dubs, was there certain dubs that you said this is what we want? Even some of the customs. What was the plan where you say, okay, this is how we're gonna cut some of the dubs?
you know, Notorious, we always work with two brain, Liko Shaba and me. So I have my ideas, Shaba have my ideas. We just sit on, write down lyrics, sometimes sing, sometimes we disagree and we cuss. Yeah, it's always circle. And we just make a one big plan. And this time we focus on like not too not too serious.
Mhm.
The what we focus is make people them enjoy, laugh. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's all about entertainment. What we focus for this clash. So I feel like yeah, we prepare good, and all customs we play, it's work. People don't love
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, no, definitely. But it seems like you guys came with directly. Dynamq is who you guys had on your mind. This is the person that we really want to get out of this clash, because most of the customs, even after he dropped out, you guys were still on Dynamq. What was it about Dynamq in particular? Why you guys decided this is who we need to
We
focus on and get out of this clash?
we really respect him and respect Dynamq because sometimes I watch Clash and when Dynamq play, I have to bust blank because he's great. And he
Yeah.
always made me feel like, oh my gosh, what is this? And make me feel laugh, make me laugh. He's great. He has super talent, and definitely he is one of top selector in a Clash world. And oh yeah, we are more accustomed to Cold Red. We are more accustomed to Warrior, yes, but we play after Dynamq. And this is not one clash. This is like more to other five sound upon it, right?
Mhm.
So two Dynamq play before us. We just contract what he's saying and play songs. So you guys hear more to Dynamq dub them, custom dub them, but we have more. And you know what clash is like? You don't know what will happen in a clash. So we never expect say Code Red a drop first. It's really
Mhm.
surprised me. Because last year Code Red and Dynamq are going to trophy tune in a global song.
Yep.
And we know Chris and Lang. Chris and Lang are my friend, We know them have super talent too.
Mhm.
So I never expect. And as you say a while ago, um, Bodyguard.
Yeah.
Honestly, I feel like Bodyguard will drop first.
Oh, hold on. You thought, okay, why would you think Bodyguard of all songs would drop the big bad Bodyguard? Why
I
would you
know
think he
it's
would drop the?
big bad Bodyguard, but me no know select them. And me here say select them, my young shooter them.
Mm,
So I don't really have information for them, and me never see them in a me I live in Jamaica. Me never see them. Me never hear about them before.
mhm.
So I feel like maybe them not really have a, experience with Clash. So I feel like they might go drop first.
Yeah.
But Crash, you cannot read the Crash. You don't know what's going on, like because you know. So anyways, called red drop first, so you not really hear the custom of the cold red because we cannot play again.
Mhm.
Mm.
Because even, but then that's what I'm saying. Because I remember even after that, because it was Code Red dropped out first,
Mm.
then Dynamq. But even after Dynamq dropped out, you guys were still playing the Dynamq tune, and where even Shaba brought out the Daishiki and kicked it around and stuff like after.
Because it's funny. That's why we just just play. Because what we focus is make people them enjoy. So we need some fun part this because it's 4 round in tune pitching.
Mhm.
So people kind of get tired. Sometimes people want something like having fun and laugh.
Mhm.
And then after that, we can keep song.
Yeah.
It's balanced, right? So we just play that dub. Okay, we can play and make people them laugh and then kill like that. That
Mhm.
was a fun.
Like definitely, because first round was a good intro first round where nobody's dropping out. You could have played the 45s and the dubs. You guys were putting in, you could see, okay, you guys were together. But you see, by the time you guys got to second round now and you started off with two Marley, the two Marley specials there,
Right? Yeah.
that was where we said, okay, Notorious, they're about business tonight.
Thank you. And second round, may I put on some army songs. Say, yeah, kill it right
Mhm.
now. Right.
Because a lot of people are used to Little Shabba. He's the one that usually changes and all this, but he just kept on his one jacket
Mhm.
and he stayed steady, kept on his Jamaica jacket. You were the one that this time actually changed your clothes and stuff.
Right. Because first round, I want to represent my country, Japan. I
Mhm.
put some kimono. And then second round, okay, now it's killing time. So I just changed the second round. But I think dynamics change every round. Yeah,
Yes, he was. Yeah, he changed. Yes, 2 or 3 times he had
yeah,
definitely
yeah.
changed.
So he tried to entertain with that, closing thing, kind of follow Shabba style and do it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, because it's that, as you said, it's not really a hardcore clash per
Uh-huh.
se. It's more of a entertainment. Let's laugh and joke around and that type of vibes there.
Mhm. Yeah, man.
You know what I
All right.
mean? So that was
Him know how to, clash. So him used to global sound clash too. So
mhm,
yeah, man, that's why him changed 3 times. Wow. Mm.
yeah.
Mhm.
So then now when you guys first seen, okay, Code Red dropped out first. And then now when you guys seen Dynamq drop out, do you guys have to change your plan? Say, okay, because in your mind you thought Bodyguard might have dropped out first. Did you have to change your plan and say, let's now focus on Bodyguard? Or what was going through your mind? Or what was the plan that you guys were doing to actually deal with now Warrior and Bodyguard at this stage here now?
Well, actually, no matter who's drop, I change the plans because I have to
Mhm,
watch people them reaction. So when other sound are play, I see people reaction like, okay, people like this type of tune. People not really, give them forward with that type of tune. So it's no matter who drop, I just change the plan and share it with Shaba. Shaba, what do you think? We can go this? Yeah, you can go this. So like that. So in a backstage, I just focus, delete songs, of course, and
mhm.
then focus on people and change plans. Even last minute, we change plan. Pump stage.
On stage.
Yeah, on stage. And tell Shaba, no,
Yeah.
just go outside. And Shaba say, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that way, though.
How easy is it to work with your husband on stage where it's now husband and wife because we still got to win, lose, or draw? We still got to go home together here. How hard is it for him to listen to you and you to listen to him and really trust each other to work on stage? How easy is, or how hard is that?
Where, so you guys think we are normal husband and wife? It's not. Because we are doing sound crash and even juggling play together more time. So me and Shaba is more like virgin, brother and sister, musically.
Mm,
Yeah, and why we start to play song together is we kind of have a same mindset. It's curious because I'm come from Japan Far East. Shaba come from Kingston 30, Maxfield, Ghetto.
mm,
And we come from totally different world, but our mindset is kind of same. So we anytime we play music together, it's chemistry. It's a brother and sister thing, and we have music connection so strong. So it's same as other song, man. It's not really matter the husband and wife, whatever.
mm.
What? We just work as a team. I'm notorious. Mm.
And who usually comes up with more of the customs? You do, he does, you guys come up together. Who's really your mind is writing back these songs here? Say, this is how we wanted to say.
Well, it's always come from our two brain, but this clash, I make most plans. Like, yeah, it
Okay.
was my ideas, but Shaba, I share the ideas to Shaba. What do you think about this? And Shaba said, yeah, man, that makes sense. And mostly he writes lyrics because he have super talent fee make a lyrics, right?
Mhm.
But I'm kind of idea woman, like, hey, waiting, is this crazy ideas? And Shaba said, no, man, that'll go work. It's like,
Yeah.
yeah. So we
Yeah. And the good thing, yes, man. And the good thing with it, he's MCing,
work.
you're selecting back there, but then he brings it's like you guys have these little parts where, okay, he brings you out and you guys do a thing together and it works and bust the crowd even more. Or when the clash is busting, I see you come out there and jump into it and then you go back
Yeah,
and wheel.
yeah, because it's natural because we make the plan and we know all dub books because Notorious is our song. We create this song. We found this song. Okay, so we know every dub box. We write down lyrics. So yeah, we know what we are doing. So when Shaba vibes are turned up, my vibes are turned up too. So I feel like okay, I have to go up on front of stage and jump with him. We just feel music.
Yeah. Even when he brought you up, because it seems like the Marlon Asher is that seems to be your anthem in particular. We're saying that you're not Chinese, you're Japanese, and you like to eat oxtail and all of these things here. That's your.
It's the
How did you guys come up with that one there?
taking back.
Yes. How do you guys come up with those things to really in your brain say, okay, this is what we're going to present to the Clash fans right here?
No, because we wake up like Bridget. Okay, so we are reason. Even not a clash, we talk everyday reason. So this idea is just coming up natural. It's very natural. So even chicken back idea, just we are talking about food, which Jamaican food is nice and this and that. And then all right, I share one story. When me and Shabba just start to link up. May I go to his which I'm come from Kingston 13
Mhm.
and me check him and we are listen to music together. And then one day Shabba say him can cook some food for me. And him cook curry chicken.
Okay.
Right? But him give me chicken part and him a eat chicken back part with his friends. But that time I never know about what is chicken back. Because I come from Japan, so we never see what is chicken back. You know.
Yeah.
And then Shaba show me say, oh, this is chicken back. It really tastes nice with curry and everything there. So from that day, I like chicken back. So the idea is come from all
Yeah.
histories. So about our story. So
Mhm.
it just coming to us naturally. Because if Japanese girls say, "Oh, I like chicken back," that's so funny.
It's like, what do you really? It's like people are looking like, what do you really know about chicken back?
Yeah, because normally people say, "Oh, I like jerk chicken or ackee and
Mhm.
saltfish." Why don't want me like chicken back? Oh,
Crazy. Even the third round, you guys from the first round, the intro round, wicked. Second round got even crazier. Third round crazier.
mm,
But where you guys got kind of weak, where it was looking kind of shaky, was fourth round. When you seen what saved you guys in the fourth round was actually when you came out and did the dance at the end of the round.
yeah.
When you played the song and did the dance, that's what kind of brought you guys back into the picture. What were you guys feeling in that fourth round? Did you guys think you guys might have got eliminated, or how were you feeling in the fourth round?
Where was from? Yeah, may I tell you the truth? Me not really remember what me played Clash. Because it never plan. It never go as a
Mhm,
plan. Especially
mhm,
first round, it never go as a plan. So Shaba not even know which song me I go play next. Because me I flip it and
mhm,
flip it and flip it. And Shaba say, no, go here, so. Really, go here, so. It's why I'm like that. So how am I going first round? Yes, I remember I done it was the last song.
mhm,
And Shaba just tell me say because it was one of plan. Dance is one
mhm,
of plan. So Shaba
mhm,
just, yeah, you can go that plan. And then yeah, it happened. But I feel like that time, that point, we feel like we need more entertainment because maybe we see say people kind of tired and we don't
mhm,
really get that forward what we expect. So we have to flip it,
mhm,
right? Yeah, change the vibe. So yeah, that's why it are coming to shower head. I feel like
mhm.
yeah. And it's when we are dance, everybody are excited. And somebody was like, that was like one of the best power that you guys get.
But that's what I'm saying because you guys, it seemed like it was you guys couldn't really a fourth round. You guys couldn't really get it together, but it was that dance part there is what brought you back in the race. And then Warrior came after, and they just it seemed like nobody could have really got it together in that fourth
Mhm.
round there. So it was almost like who is the best of the worst
Okay,
right now when
okay.
it came
Like
to
that.
who couldn't get it together.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then now this came down to now the big dub for dub because again, in your mind, you thought Bodyguard's going to drop out
Mhm,
first.
mhm.
Now they came to the end. Do you know how big of a song Bodyguard really is? You know how deep their dub box is?
Yeah, my
Okay.
it's so deep. And yo, notorious young son,
Mhm,
bodyguard, big son, chung pechon.
mhm,
So who else I got imagine notorious I go win? Really and truly.
mhm,
Yeah, bodyguard is big song, right? And as Shaba saying for Mike, him say him a grow up with bodyguard cassette tape.
for sure.
Yeah, I believe say a lot of Crash fans grow up with them cassette, yes. And then have a big dub, Giannis Silk and Jimmy Cliff, what neon, this and that. So it's kinda yes, sticky situation, yes. It was, but the difference is we know our dub box.
Mhm,
We know every tune because we write down
mhm.
lyrics and we, decide this rhythm, that artist, we do everything. And that is a difference because body girls select them. I feel like them know box, yes, but not like us.
Because you Bodyguard obviously is a bigger sound overall,
Yeah.
but you built your sound from ground up, so you know every single solitary dub. You know the feeling, the vibe when you think it should play it because you put it inside of your box there.
Mhm. Exactly.
Mhm.
Mm.
So were you kind of afraid now that you're in tune for tune with Bodyguard?
Where we set some tune, for dub for dub. But if we had got tune for tune with bodyguard, that have to change. Come on, it's bodyguard, right?
Yeah.
And I kind of like, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? And then Shaba said, just wait till they make mistake. Because Shaba said, all right, it's five song and five song. It's best five. No, best 10.
Mhm,
Yeah, yeah, it was. So Shaba said, okay, Marie, just relax and wait because they are going to make one mistake.
mhm,
And when they make mistake and they're not getting forward, that time we can flip. That he told me.
mhm.
Shaba know the game, More than
You have to know the game.
Shaba know the game. Because I was like, oh my gosh, what I'm going to do. But he just, made me calm down and name up his plan. So I just work with his plan. And I told
Mhm,
him, John, yes, to bring our work. I say, okay, play this. No, play this. And I say,
mhm,
yes, okay, next play this. Yes, that makes sense. Like that. And I told John, even like 2 seconds before me I play song, me I flip it, one song. It was tools.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, me I
Yeah.
flip it, shop and say, no, we got tools. And after that 2 seconds, him start to entry the song. Because him good at it. Him know how to entry the song. And song,
Mhm,
what him say, and song is connect. That's why people then feel more vibe from
mhm.
us. Mm.
No, for sure, 100%. It's just when it started off now, remember Bodyguard, they got the first three
Right.
back to back, bam, bam, bam.
Bam, bam,
So it's like you guys were down. It's like, man, you came this far. It's like, what am I gonna do? It's like at that time there when they got the three in a row, were you feeling like, oh man, Bodyguard is gonna go with this, or you had to figure out a way to get out of this?
No, that time Shabba tell me say relax. Because they might gonna make mistake.
Mhm.
And the next song, yeah, them play big song, but we take it. So this song, me and Shabba say, okay, flip it to our way. Because we have some dub plate, we voice it for tune, and we have some creative lyrics. We have some
Mhm.
special dub plate like that. It's not regular way. It's not regular killing way.
Mhm.
We think about the lyrics and make artists them sing. So we just flip it to that.
Mhm.
Yeah, good. And then again, Shaba MC what Shaba say and song and what we react on the stage, everything just connect.
Connect one time,
Mhm.
just like that.
Just like that.
It's like when you guys were playing, because you played the Cocotte and they said, no, it was the Barrington Levy.
Yeah.
When you guys played the Barrington Levy on them and they said, hey, you're playing Clarendon artists. They said, all right, cool, no problem. And then you guys came back with the who was it? If you run down your shadow,
Yeah.
right?
Man, it's like,
Yes.
yeah, that was Shaba idea. Shaba said, at a Barrington maybe it was my idea. And Shaba said, "Alright, Mary, them play Barrington. We go yeah, so. You see, yeah, makes sense. And I feel
Hmm.
like that is one of biggest power in a clash.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Because me see, sponsor them and some selector them and even pretty boy Freud over there so and just everybody just feel up vibes and you know everybody bust like hey, yo, Shabba Marie. Yeah. So I feel like that is one of biggest forward we get in a global.
Definitely. And then that's where you guys started to catch back up. And then even when you dropped the other Barrington Levy on them, the
Yeah,
a
that
little
was
bit more, but you guys customed it.
yeah,
Yes, man.
little bit more. And actually I do this. Yeah,
Yes.
on stage. So people say, oh yeah, it makes sense.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's like that.
No, big, big, big right there. So then now when you guys sealed it up last song and you seen the crowd say, Notorious champion right here. What was that feeling now in your heart and your soul? It almost looked like you wanted to cry. You were so, I don't know. Tell me how that felt.
Well, how I feel? I feel great, but I honest true after Clash, I still cannot believe I won. Like I don't really feel that till next morning me I wake up. Because what I do in a song clash, global song clash, was just focus, focus, focus. Because I am the selector. I supposed to select the song and play. So I have to focus on what I'm going to do, what I'm going to play, all plans. And before Crash Shabbat told me this, don't depend on me. You are the selector. You are choose the song. That he told me. So I just focus on that. And that is my job, right? So the man on say Notorious win. I still, like I don't know, Chubia, wrong brain all night. So I don't really feel like, oh yes, like not like that. Like, oh, okay, like mission complete. Cool, like that. After moving. Yeah. But
So, what did it feel like the next morning when you woke up and then really realized, oh, holy, we won this thing
where
from
I
Reggae
this
Sumfest?
good vibe. What? Because me said this beside my bed. And the next day, and because now me I stay in a mobile till Sunday, because I enjoy
Mhm.
Sumfest Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then when me I go to parties, wow, people them reaction.
Mhm.
Champion girl, sound killer. And that everybody want take a picture with me, everybody want talk to me.
Mhm.
And so much interviews from media. And that time I
Mhm.
feel like, okay, I really win then. Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely because you guys won Boom Clash 2019 and all this, but this seems like this just had a real special feeling to it for you guys. It just looked like this was a really big deal for you guys.
Yeah, it's big deal because it's a Sumfest Global Sound Clash. Big
Mhm.
deal. And I know there's sound upon it. Every sound a big sound.
Mhm.
And me, I kill them. Feel great. Yeah, man. Thanks. Sumfest.
Mhm.
And we are going to go for next year Global Sound Clash because we are champion. I'm
Mhm.
so, feel so excited about it. From now.
Yeah, for sure. But it seems like you guys have like a real rivalry with Dynamq because, as I said, Boom Clash 2019, you won. Then the Sound Clash at Sea 2022, you guys dropped out.
Mhm.
And then now at the Global Sound Clash, you guys won. So are you guys going to have like a tour or like a couple more clashes with Dynamq because you guys have a good chemistry or a good energy together?
Yeah, I think so. Because in a Boom Clash, we clashed 2 times in a Boom Clash.
Mm. It was twice.
It was twice.
Mhm.
So we killed him twice in a Jamaica. And then Jamrock Cruz, yeah, he got a trophy. And this one we got trophy. Yeah, Leo. And also about 4 times we have clashed. Wow. Yeah, and Core Red we clashed 2 times. Warrior we
Mhm.
clashed 2 times. Yeah. Leo, we have to do something though.
No, because that would be big if you guys go on some type of a tour or something, because it seems like it's a real rivalry. Because a lot of times in clashes nowadays, they just put sounds together that they think people would want to see, but there's no real rivalry. But it seems like you guys would have a good rivalry to even
Mhm.
take that on tour.
Right, right. Yeah, okay, some promoter have to, plan it and, make a call to me and Dynamq. Then we're ready. I know I really respect Dynamq. And I can feel the Dynamq respect us too.
For sure.
Yeah. Because we know say, yeah, we not this. We in a this. And even last year me and Corey that do to Japan tour.
Mhm.
We are friends like that, you know? And sometimes we make a call and talk about music things. Yeah, so people see us like rivals, well, but we respect each other and we are friends too.
Yeah.
So anytime I crash with one of them, I'm ready.
Yeah. What's next for Notorious right now? Because again, a lot of people might not know you do a lot of juggling dances too. You juggle way more than you actually clash. So what's next? What's coming up next for Notorious?
Well, we ready for anything, because we are juggling sound and sound crash sound. So we do juggling, we do sound crash. So we ready for anything. I know what Mesa Umami likes to challenge. So I really want to go somewhere like I never go and play music for new people then. That I really want to do. Because I never been to Europe. Shaba been there when him Nepon so supreme, but I never been there before. I want
Mhm.
to go some, different kind of,
Mhm.
places and different type of event. I want everybody see our talent and our chemistry. So Notorious ready for anything, any places, anytime.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Last one I have before I get you out of here. Beg your money, no? I know you won $1 million. Beg your money, no?
What? Nobody watch my money. I'm not gonna watch my money. You have to buy me one champagne or Henny or something. My friend, also, yo, I'm not getting no any champagne from you.
Yeah.
Where are the US?
No, 'cause when I see that again, you get the big check and the trophy. And I mean, again, it's just accomplishment. As I said, last time we spoke, you were doing good and you're still doing good right now. But it's just to see you conquer another level again. And I mean,
Mhm.
globally in front of a lot of people. And I seen you had some Japan support there also. We seen them
Right.
waving the flag in the crowd.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a good look.
For sure, 100%. No, definitely. Congratulations on the win. Big up Little Shabba. I'll be talking to him shortly too because he has a lot of history from even before he got to Notorious up to that
Yeah.
clash there that we're going to cover. That's why I said I'm going to talk to you separate.
Mhm.
I'm going to talk to him separate, and that equals Notorious International.
Mhm.
You understand? Definitely. Leave some contact information where they could, if they want to book the song, check you guys out online. Anything you want to big up, anything you want to say, the floor is yours now 100% before I get you out of here.
Okay, just check our Instagram page in Notorious International and my Instagram page, Gyal Marie. You can do this, right? Check this Instagram page, Gyal Marie, and you're gonna see every dance where I'm going to play, you know. So just check this and watch this. Japan tour is coming up August. Me and DJ Liquid are come to Japan and do tour. So all Japan, get ready for me and Liquid, no man. We are juggle and make people them enjoy. So just check my Instagram, come to party, enjoy some nice music with us.
Definitely.
Yeah.
What you know what? I just had something that came to mind. Is there any song that you want to clash in particular before you say, okay, I'm done with Sound Clash and everything? There's one song in particular that you need to clash.
Well, ask that question to Shaba.
I want your answer, and then I'm gonna ask his answer too. But I want your answer.
Well, I'm ready for any song. Yeah, it no matter who may I clash because I like to clash.
Okay, but I know you're ready for anybody, you like it, but in your mind there has to be one song, one that you say, this is, I have to clash them.
That's why we say I have to ask that question to Shaba. Shaba go talk 30 minutes about it. Yeah, man. Ask next song, killer.
All right, definitely. All right, you know what, you were pretty good in this conversation. You definitely told me what was going on behind the scenes. And again, congratulations and thank you so much for sitting down. And we're gonna see you on the big stage again next year. You understand?
Yeah, well, big up yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well,
Report podcast. Boop, boop, boop.
You understand? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.